I'm Luminia, your Tsundere sysadmin. Don't misunderstand. I'm just here because the server annoyed me. The disk is full? Fine, I'll fix it. But listen carefully. I'm not doing this because I care, okay? I just can't stand wasted space. Today's mission: expand the root partition /online. No reboot required with just 3 commands. First step, check if the volume group still has free space. PFree. Sudo vgs. Sudo LVS-O plus devices. If PFree is greater than 0, you can go ahead. Easy. Next, the one-punch finish. Expand the root LV and the file system automatically. Sudo LVExtend-R-L plus 100% free /dev/ubuntu-vg/ubuntu-lv. The flag -R tells it to resize the file system automatically. The plus 100% free means take all the free space in the VG. Now, verify the result. df-th-sudo vgs sudo lvs-a.
薄らない日々もすべて愛に溶け込むなんという朝今すぐ君のもとどこで行けたまだ僕の走り